Do you want to grow your YouTube channel
from 0 subs to 4,000 subs
but don't know where to start? I've got you covered. I'm Engineer May. On this channel, I'm passionate about to share my journey of faith, study hacks, helping you understand the world of finance and random vlogs. And today, I'll share to you effective strategies based on my experience to help you boost your subscribers and views, especially for beginners. When I started way back 2020, I struggled to find my niche. I just copied topics that I feel familiar to share. In short, I got fascinated by how vlogging gives so much entertainment, education at the same time. A game changer for some, and that made me curious. That's why I started way back 2019 actually, and this is my second channel, which I am committed to upload videos. On those years, pandemic time, almost all people around the globe focused on social media, including YouTube, as we are mostly stayed at home because of COVID-19. I am so new then, do not have any knowledge or idea about editing. All I did was just copy from other vloggers, successful vloggers, my favorite vloggers that is ahead of us. From time to time, I learned how to edit and use free editing apps. It took me months and years to know, to grow, and know editing videos. And I'm happy today I did not stop. Behold, I am super grateful and happy to finally monetize my channel for the first time last year,
Wow.
2023. Now, I am going to share to you just 3 tips, so simple but vital, on how to grow your YouTube channel fast this year, 2024. First, choose a specific topic you're passionate about. This helps attract a dedicated audience. That is what we call niche. Find a good niche that you are passionate about. It could be your hobby you want to share, how-to topics related on the profession you are more knowledgeable about, or anything that makes you happy and somehow create good vibes to your viewers. Second, it is okay to experiment on different topics. And finally, create a video that will go viral. From that video, the second tip is engage with your audience. Respond to comments and ask for feedback. Building a community encourages viewers to return on your channel. Engaging and being sensitive to the need of your viewers, which I ignore for a long time. Eventually, most successful YouTubers practice this. To engage with your audience and somehow you're building friendship, community that encourages them to return because of your videos with value that has impact to them. The third tip, and the last but not the least, know your target audience. Understanding your target audience on YouTube is crucial for creating content that resonates. This is my mistake before. So because I do not know how to analyze my channel analytics. You need to check that from time to time in order for you to understand what videos you have that has more views or not. From that, create videos that have significance to your audience. This analytics will help you improve more on your next YouTube video. I have a bonus tip to you guys, and that is be authentic. Let your personality shines amidst the competition in YouTube, as they say. Authenticity helps build a connection with your audience and subscribers. Being you, confidently you, will help your channel grow. Be confident with your own skin and own way of expressing yourself. Accept uniqueness because in this way, your audience feel the same way. As human as we are, we can relate to all our flaws and they can relate to your stories and experiences. As you notice, to my subscribers in my previous videos, I do not show my face, mostly on my videos because I am shy on the camera and I'm not comfortable because I am afraid what others may say. But little by little, as time goes by, kumakapal na ang mukha ko. And yeah, it is okay to show our face sometimes and be happy.
Remember these tips? Find a good niche. Second, engage with your audience. Third, know your target audience. And the bonus tips, be authentic.
Thanks for joining me today. I hope these tips helps you grow your channel and eventually goes viral. You can do it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Thank you and God bless.